welcome to my channel. I'm Jenna Neal, and today I want to talk about bags, specifically the Fossil Sydney Satchel. Super excited. Thank you. Yay. If you clicked on this, if you're new, please check out my videos. I love bags. I have a lot of them, but super excited about them, and yes, I use them, and yay. Okay, so please subscribe, click that like button or dislike button, whatever, that's cool too. Come hang out with me, comment below, because I'm really bored and I love meeting new people. Anyways, okay, so that was weird. Okay, I'm just gonna open the box. Forget it. I'm just gonna open the box and then we'll talk about the beginning later. Got it. Good. Yay. We're just gonna open the box. That's all I want to do anyways. Don't know how to do my intro. Don't judge. Alright, so let's get started. First I have the box. This was a Christmas present. Super excited about that. Thank you, Mom. Woo! So excited. I wanted this bag. If you've been following me for the last 31 videos, there might be more depending on when this launches. But my second video, I really wanted the Fossil Sydney Satchel in color brown, and they were sold out, so I bought navy, and you guys are awesome. I love the correspondence. You guys were so cool. On my second video, I have like over 100 comments, so thank you. And for people that were like, hey, the brown's back in stock, thank you. You guys got it for Christmas. Woo! Yes, I've been wanting this for like 9 months, so it's finally here. So let's open it. Yes, woo! Whoa, okay, so kudos to Fossil. Their boxes are pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty neat. Yay, I feel loved. I feel loved just by all these words and these messages that have nothing to do with me. It's weird, go with it, whatever. Okay. Oh my gosh, are you so excited? It says nothing. Sydney Satchel medium brown. Are you so excited? I've been waiting this time for so long. What? Do you love it? Do you love it? Do you love it? Oh my god, can't even see it. Okay, just kidding. Okay. I am like so excited. I know I say that like every video, but I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for this bag. So pretty! So pretty! Okay, I don't even know where to begin. It's so pretty. Oh, it's mine. What? Oh, isn't it so pretty? Okay, yeah, whatever. It's just a bag, but it's brown. All right, let's take this stuff off. It comes with a handle. Where do I even begin? Oh my gosh, just rip it off. Just rip it off. I bought navy thinking it would work, and well, I wear black all the time, so I don't usually wear the navy that often, so I don't know. I wanted this. Totally wanted this. Oh, they're coming. They're coming. They're coming. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, just kidding. They're so anticlimactic. Okay. Yay. Yes. Okay, so it comes, it's just a bag. I know, it's just a simple bag too. It doesn't hold a lot. Actually it does. It's like a rustic brown. I guess medium brown is a good reference. Oh, I love it. I love it. It is leather. It does come with a crossbody. I will show you what it looks like on the body. I hope this isn't gonna stay like that, where it's all kind of sort of bendy. All right, let's see. Opening it up. What does it look like inside? Oh my gosh. Oh, look how cute. It says Fossil. That's just such a weird waste of ink. But whatever. That's cool. It makes me feel better. Makes me know where it came from. I feel better about that. Sort of ish. Doesn't change that I like the bag or not, but kind of cool advertising. Wow, that's like super packed. Check that out. It doesn't hold its structure very well empty, which I don't know if I like that or not. Check out those feet. Those are nice feet. Wow, look at it. So that's like the size of the bag. And then this is a perfect planner bag. Go back and forth between planners and journals, and my husband just bought me a new one for Christmas. Super excited. It won't fit in here, but whatever. I have a lot of bags. Maybe it'll fit in one of those. But check this out. Okay, so it's different than the Rachel because it has these that match what? And that they connect all the way down, so there's not any ties or anything or hardware. Which I like the sturdiness of them. They don't flop down. So I do like that actually. And I love this simple. So it's sleek, it's simple. There's not a lot of flashy except for the logo right there, which is cool. It just says Fossil. You could brand your name on there, but I don't know, that's weird. I remember, okay, this is total ranting, but I remember driving with a friend when we were like 16, and it was really cool to get your name embroidered on things. Or she had her name embroidered on the dashboard cover, if you remember, that was a thing. Yeah, that's kind of dating me, but whatever. And these guys were trying to get her attention, and they kept yelling her name. So she thought she knew them, but I was like, that's really scary. So I covered up the name, like, wow, they saw her name and could yell it at her through the cars to get us to pull over or whatever, which we didn't, but that was creepy, weird. So kind of weirds me out about putting my name on stuff that I'm holding and saying, hi, hey, look at me, my name, even though my name is out on the internet. That's weird too. Oh my God. Yeah, clearly I didn't think this through. But there's that. Okay, so I like this where it doesn't go all the way down. It stops a little bit, which allows it to open, but it doesn't make or force everything out. So that's pretty cool. So it does it on both sides, the front and then the back. So there's a pocket that fits my cell phone. All right, let's look at the inside real quick. Yep, let's drink this. We need this. If you're not a coffee drinker, I wasn't either until I was, and now I am. Okay, that was weird. All right, bag. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Okay, so this is the Azaria. I've been using this comparison-wise. That's huge. That's called Grand for a reason. Large. It's fabulous. It holds all the crazy. And color comparison, that's cognac. And then this is like really pretty. I don't even know how to describe it. Like a brandy color or like a deep-ish brown. I mean, it's freaking awesome. Sorry, kids. It's just really cool. Okay. Oh, Woosa! That's what my husband said. Wow. Sparkly! Oh my God, it's like Christmas! Not really. I mean, it is. That's weird too. Okay. My Christmas present from Mom. Do you love it? Whoa, check that out. It's so beautiful. It's so simple. It's literally like so simple. It has gussets. If you don't know what that is, that's this right here. So it protects my stuff from falling out. And then it has a zipper pocket. Oh, and I can put stuff in there and it tells me that it's fossil. That's cool. So this is the newer version. You might see some older ones online that have the wallet kind of context in them. I like that this just has the pockets because I can fit my hand sanitizer in there. But it's just a big, wide, I mean, for how small it is, it does hold a lot. And it's like the perfect length. So it is awesome. Let's see what it looks like on the body. Yay, thank you. If you made it this far, you are awesome. Love you. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna have to do what's in my bag video because I'm just sure it looks so much prettier in the brown than the navy. And well, since they got new things, oh my God, I got new things. I got new packs to put in here. I'm so excited. And they go with the planner. Oh my God, I'm super excited to pack this. I just realized. Yep. So I hold this bag a lot like this. Especially if I'm going somewhere with my husband and, well, I'm not really doing anything and just standing there. I would hold it like this if I'm going out to dinner. I don't know. I like holding bags like this a lot. It's weird. But when I'm carrying the big bag or when I have to hold other things and the kids and push a cart, this is not going to work. So we have this as an option. So crossbody. Ta-da! Yay! Oh my gosh! So if you like this bag, you probably will like it in any color. If you want to check out my navy video, don't judge about the lighting and the weird because it was my second video. So yay! Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm Jenna Neal. I hope you enjoyed my crazy. Love the bag. Yay, this is the Fossil Sydney Satchel in color medium brown. It's gorgeous. If you were looking for this bag, I'm telling you right now, they have the winter sale, 50% off. If you're watching this after, sorry, but I bet there's another sale going on. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So thank you so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, whatever, stay tuned for my other videos. Oh my God, let's talk about that. Whew, okay. So I have another video coming out, if this one doesn't go out first, about the Fossil Camilla. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun putting that together. Not really, because I like recorded like 45 minutes of crazy and had to cut it down, but it was a lot of fun taking the pictures, and I'm learning photography, I'm learning how. So if you clicked on this video, maybe it's working. Let me know if you like my new change in my thumbnail. I love black, but some people don't. And well, I don't know. Anyways, total rant, but I have the Camilla bag coming out. Update, super excited about that video. I have this video, and then I also have some unboxing. I know there's another brown bag that's super excited about, and then whatever. And I joined TikTok, what, JMN bags, not sure if I'm gonna keep that. I was doing so well. That was so weird. Oh my god, that was just so weird. If you like my video, please thumbs up, subscribe. I'm all over the place, I know, whatever. And there's just so much crazy going on. My plan was to sleep in because Christmas, I kind of woke up at dark 30. So there's that. And we ran out of laundry stuff. How am I gonna wash my clothes? What the? I don't wanna go to the store. People weird me out anyways. And then now you got the weird of the weird. So there's that. We must have smelled really good or not. That was weird. We're just bored. You know, and I like this jacket. I like these jeans. But I just don't. Oh my god, and I just did this video, and if I change my clothes now, that's weird. Okay, don't regret this later. Maybe I already regret it. I totally do. There's that. Oh my god, I'm so ADD. Yeah, I'm so ADD. I can't keep my brain together. Yay, hi friends! Thank you so much for clicking on my channel. I'm Jenna Neal, and today I wanted to talk about Fossil and a lot of other stuff. But, alright, yay, let's talk. I'm in that mood. Okay, forget bags for a second because I'm just... Okay, so we had Christmas and, well, there's that, and it was fun. We had a lot of crazy. We woke up before the sun, or at least I did, waiting for the kids to wake up, but who does that? Who does that? I woke up before my kids, waiting for my kids to wake up, and it was like 3:30. So that was fun. The elf destroyed the house. And then today we cleaned and put a chair together. Well, my husband did that. And then we went to Starbucks. Yeah, I need that right now. I just totally need that. Yep, we went to Starbucks. Oh my god. Okay, so Starbucks. I love Starbucks, okay? You'd think I am advertising for them, but I'm not. Just really like coffee that comes from Starbucks. But we went to Starbucks. I have 500 points that expire in like 2 or 3 days. There's that. That was great. I did get to see my favorite Starbucks barista. Love the hair. If you ever come across this video, love the hair. And, well, they had no cups. So I have 500 points that expire and no cup. Because they want the little glass cups. I think they were like white and gold and... Oh, and they're just small little teacups. I want one. Anyways, there's that. Okay. I feel better. I just needed to get that off my chest. Well, there's that. Alright, maybe I feel better. I think that worked. Or this did. And people look at me weird. Like, it's not weird. I got a venti cold brew in a paper cup with no ice. Paper cup it is. Whatever, I don't know, tastes better in the weird. Thank you very much. Bags. Oh my god, let's talk about bags because really excited. Yes, I'm really excited because, okay, start over. Darn it, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, my feet need hugs. There's that, that's weird. Yay, hi friends. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel. And if you're new, I don't know. Yep, well, obviously this is not scripted. Okay, I'm just crunching my guts. Hold on. Okay, try again. That did not work. This is a mess. And I'm just super excited, so thank you so much for doing that because it's super cool. I love it, I love it, I love it. I have a lot of bags. I'm only doing this for fun. Hope you get something out of it. Super excited you clicked on my video. Okay, no, that's just weird. That's just weird. But then this is weird. I shouldn't admit that. Okay. This is just me being weird. Do over. Oh my god, do over. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yay. Thank you for watching my video.